Welcome to this CRA My Account tutorial. In this video, we will walk through the registration process step by step. This guide is designed to help you register correctly and avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. Open your web browser. In the search bar, type CRA My Account. Select the official Government of Canada website. Make sure the website address ends with canada.ca. Here you can choose how to register. You can use a CRA user ID and password, which is a unique login for CRA services, and this is the method I recommend. You can use a sign-in partner which lets you access CRA securely, using your online banking credentials from participating banks or credit unions. You may also see a provincial partner option that allows you to sign in with your provincial government ID. Before you start registering, make sure you have all the required information. You will need your social insurance number, your date of birth, the amounts from your most recent tax return, line 15,000, access to a multi-factor authentication option such as your phone or email for security, and optionally, a government-issued photo ID if you want immediate access. Having these ready will make your registration process smooth and quick. After clicking Register Now, verify your identity. Enter your social insurance number, date of birth, and the amount from line 15,000 on your last tax return. You may also be asked for line 10,100. Open last year's return and enter only the dollar amount. Your number may be different. If you don't have a copy, contact your accountant or tax preparer. Entering correct amounts ensures smooth registration. On the next screen, you will see two options: Interact Document Verification and CRA Security Code by mail. If you have a Canadian passport or driver's license, I recommend selecting the first option for immediate access to your CRA account. If you don't have one, select the second option, and CRA will mail a security code to the address on file to fully activate your account. Until you receive the code, you can use your CRA account with limited access. The code usually arrives within 8 to 10 days. If your address has changed and is not updated with CRA, you will need to update it first. I have a separate video showing how to do this. By clicking Next, you will reach the page to create your unique CRA user ID and password. Follow the instructions carefully to set up a secure login for your account. After creating your login credentials, you will need to set up 5 security questions and provide answers. Keep them safe for future use. Next, set up multi-factor authentication by entering your mobile number. You will receive a code on your phone. Enter that code to complete the setup. Once done, your CRA My Account is fully active and ready to use. If you need help with taxes, benefits, or CRA questions, our team at CA Tax Experts Inc. can guide you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more helpful guides.